one lightened up a lot.
Yeah. There you go. Aye. Got me struggling over there.
You wanna do your sideburns?
This shit got me stressed, boy.
I wanted to see first like how I was gonna. I get blamed for everything around here.
Why is she even saying that about my brother?
I just got back from school. I'm gonna clean up a little bit and look what got here. My nail desk is here, y'all. Look at that. It's so cute. I'm gonna organize it today. It has like little, ow. And put all that stuff and then set up over here. Then I have to throw out that trash. I'm so excited. And I don't have a client until Thursday, but I can't wait to use it. It's so cute. Y'all noticed my hair though? Look at that. I bleached it in class today. Tomorrow we're gonna go over it one more time to lighten it up, and I might put some color in it. Looks so cute. I love it. I just remembered that I haven't had a coffee yet today, so scratch the green juice. We're gonna have a coffee, and maybe for dinner time I'll have the green juice because I need coffee. I feel so tired. I don't know why. It's like a sleepy, like a, I don't know how to explain it. I'm not tired like physically, I just need like a, you know what I mean? But yeah, we're gonna have some coffee first. Delicious. It's just a espresso pod. It's a double espresso with some oat milk, brown sugar, and that's it. So freaking good. Picked up everything now, so floors are clean. Now I'm just gonna take a little break and fix my nail desk. So far, this is what I have to organize. I'm gonna hang up this little spinner. Ooh, this little spinner thing that I got at Target. So on this one, I want to put like $5 discounts or like free nail sets or like, you know, little things like that. So I have to find somewhere on the wall to put that. And then I have these little organizers. They're not my aesthetic, but it's okay. I mean, I have to work with it for now. Just to put like little nail polishes that I have still laying around that I couldn't put up on my wall. And then like the charging cables for my little UV lamp, well, the flashing cure one. And then I have this big one, but I don't feel like this is my acetone, and then some alcohol. This I'm probably gonna leave out because I use it for my house also. But this one, I don't feel like it's gonna fit in the, yeah, no, it doesn't fit in the, so, okay, the nail polishes are organized now. Now I have these little like rhinestones, but I think these I'm just gonna, because there's some space in here, so I'm just gonna squeeze them in there for now until I get like something bigger to store them in. Oh, I don't want to mess it up. Yeah. And then I have these little florecitas, like the little 3D ones. These are so cute. And then I have a dip powder, acrylic powder that I use for, well, I was using this for like the 3D nail art and stuff. So I'm gonna squeeze that in somewhere here too, because I want all that stuff to stay together. Okay, now in this basket, I'm gonna put like all my matte top coats and then like everything I use for prep, my blooming gels, my base gels, and then I have rhinestone glue in here too. I use this one as a builder gel, but oh my lanta, look at that, it's so crusty dusty. Can y'all see that? And then my rubber bases. I have this poor little, I never labeled this one, so I'm just gonna pop it in the other nail polish drawer or just keep it in here. I left it out, so yeah. Let me just clean this. I hate when like gel gets everywhere on all the products, and then like there's just this sticky mess everywhere. It's also dangerous because that's how you can develop what is it called, contact dermatitis. So just gotta be careful. In this corner I have like more stuff like the cuticle oil, the gel nail art, and all that. So all of this stuff I'm gonna put it in that little basket too, since it's all my prep stuff and everything that I need for like a regular nail appointment. This right here is my favorite cuticle oil. It's California mango. So good. It smells so freaking good too. All my clients talk about this like cuticle oil. They love it so much. And you can get it at Sally's, Cosmoprof, or Salon Centric, I think. Mostly any beauty supply store should have this one, but this, it's really good. This is how I do my setup. I put like regular towel on the bottom, and then I just put it like across from me, and then I use 2 of the dental bibs, so like one for the client, which goes across like this. I'll show you guys right now, but it goes like this, and then one that goes across for me, so it goes like this. This setup, look at how cute it looks. This is where I have all the gel polishes, the swatches, and then I have my price list here just in case like anybody's, you know, a little confused on the prices. And then I have my little apron over there, the ring light. Usually this one I'll move it like to this side whenever I have my clients. And then we have my drill, the flash carrying light, the big lamp, an armrest, my nail duster, and look at how cute these chairs are. They're so adorable. I love them. So make these water bottles, like these labels. Aren't they so cute? As far as like the cabinets, I try to organize it as what I need the most to the least. So this is all my nail art brushes, like the alcohol, my little flower duster thing, cotton swabs, and then right here I have my little bits. And then right behind over there I have the chargers for all the appliances. And then in this drawer I have all my prep stuff, so like the buffers, the files, what are these called, the sanding bands, and then an extra nail glue that I have, my removal little clips that I have, and then I put also like the bibs over there, and then some rhinestones. On this drawer I put my nail gems over here, like all the little stones that I have that people don't ever get, but okay. And then I have my cuticle softeners, my cuticle oils, and then my gel line art ones. Everything that I use for like my prep, my dehydrator, and all that. And then this little cloth, I use it for like right here for my elbow, because if you know, you know, it hurt. Last drawer, I put all the nail tips that I use. So these are like all different shapes. And then right here I have some nail stickers. And then these are the extra polishes that I was telling you guys about earlier, and the little gems and stuff. So that's all I have here, and that's it. I still have more things that I want to do, like decor wise, like on the walls and like right here. I want to add some shelves and stuff, but for now, that's what we have, and I am so happy. All right, y'all, that is it for today. I will see you guys in my next video.